The outcome from Unlock Your Power for me has been that I can trust myself again. I use my own intuition. I can be resourceful and discover things for myself. I used to run, it's too hard. I hear that still, and then I can overcome that and I can work with that. And actually, when I can teach myself things that I need to apply in the business, I have a real sense of satisfaction and flow about my direction and clarity for what's needed in the business. What I loved about the work with Chris is that it goes beyond that intellectualizing, it goes beyond the insightfulness, and there's just something about energy work that smooths things out, puts things into flow. And that's what I really got from Unlock Your Power.